咁么反正搿只东西抖出来。
First step for take out this from the stove body.
好，反转。
And then make it upside down.
所以把路面对正上标。
To make sure that this part is matched with the logo.
所以可以眼子对正。
Make sure the screw insert the holes.
我打一个里面那个在知道。我打一个就是白天里面螺丝已经下面的 M5就是5毫米螺丝落闸装配到个位置。
The screw we give you is like M5. We prepared 12 screws for you in case that you need some screws for spare.
刚才我俩总共配合起来，前期扣螺丝机总6口是备用的，反正6口是要用上的。
那都我给懂了。So among the 12 screws, what you need is just 6 screws.
每次螺丝上紧，先没套回去啊。所以你每只螺丝一只个上紧。
To make sure all the screws are tight enough.
好，保证个路门口是对上标是对正的。
Make sure the door can match the logo.
还有这个是保持对正的。
So these 3 parts are at the same line.
好，接着去。那老米个螺丝3口。
And then we get 6.
长个螺丝。
And then we get 3 long screws.
打螺毛。
And with rivets.
那么接着去嘛，这3口头来。
Put the triangle.
所以呢，用一口螺丝呢，先呢，接轨，第3个呢就是先切过去。用螺毛。
Insert the screw into the hole and then use rivets to make it.
非常紧，也是套进去之后。
At the beginning, make it loose, not tight enough.
先套3只，每只套过去。好，用这开始被上清那个这东西。
And then we will make them tight.
Mm. 好，搿3只螺丝紧好过之后，开始紧后面个3只。
After tight the screw uppers, then we make the down part screws to be tight.
好，紧。 行。行，好。谁说啊？谁说啊？
那这个视频。
啊，好，咱们这一把炉子你反转。
And then we make the stove top at the top.
来，不用麻烦，拿我来。那俺米弄的。米弄干什么？我等久，你姐弟不？反正个这一年，就是呢，一只动心啦，那被二刀夹下去。
搞开东西。
那就冰来了，这东西那个那个动那个，就是保证是呢，这两个这动心是套轨卡。
Make sure these two stove bodies can match very tightly.
所以就是那个这东西会摇动。
So this part won't move.
OK， 所以这动的了，所以这东西可以拔了起来。
And then we put the pot in the hole.
所以呢，其实二手这一锅。
And then we assemble the chimney.
一锅就可以个一节个就是好难看了。一锅是可以个一节个套过起来个。
The chimney can be connected. And you can take it out easily.
所以呢，我看了伊那加个头长阴沟了，伊到就从一个长出来的了，短石头后个长出来个只有加一头后里面插到个位置。
Okay, so this part, the shortest part, put in here.
那个长阴最短头个啊，是插到就是个位置个。
So bigger part, make sure this part is very small, very short. The shortest one, put this place.
所以其他两头是就是个二装上去就可以了。
And the other two chimneys just like assemble like this.
一只后个搿么就是搿个再搿个套了去就 OK 了。
And make the able at the top.
OK。
好了是吧？So we get the ashtray
先搿地方对准。
to match the gate.
先搿插过去，所以慢慢装上去，装上去搿之后呢，对搿口子去对准。
So this part should insert this small hole.
好，插紧，插到底，防止搿只东西是。
To make the whole part is tight, stable.
好，那个炉子呢，伊个功能呢，就是这个只能烧法是一个。
If you don't want to use the pot, we can
对了。
use another function.
伊个张网搭起来个，就是搿张网你要呢加个两个地方呢是平个，那个这是整个只有的，要加个地方对准，加个摆落去，辛苦摆得了去。
So the way we put here is like this.
摆落去搿之后你再平放。
The grate is, and then put it on the
这
body
是
part.
这意思就是木炭二的上面，
Then we put the charcoal on side.
这一张毛泥摆在上面就可以烧烤。
And the last part is just we put the grill on the top, we can barbecue.
OK。